I look super crusty, but today I am going to be doing a lash with me. Ooh, day in the life of a lash tech. I have about like 5 people today. Just looking real natural and real rough because the girl's just been hustling. My birthday is this month in April, so I've just been getting to it. So I have a fill the first appointment of the day, and the rest of them I believe are full sets. So I'm just gonna show you what that looks like what a day in the life of a lash tech in Wisconsin looks like. So I'm driving right now to my studio, and I will check back in with you guys when I get there. I didn't have time to stop for coffee or breakfast because I'm running late. Like always, I'm not a morning person at fucking all. So yeah, I always wait last minute to do everything, and I had to drop my daughter off to my mom. So that's the situation right now, and I'm en route to the studio. Like I said, I got my teeth done. I did a video on that. It's like a diamonds on my teeth. No makeup today, and hair is just natural and curly. Yep. So that's the vibes. I will see you guys when I get to the studio. Here I am just setting up for my lash appointment. I have gel pads, spoolies, and microfiber wands, and my towels. So this is my first client of the day. Her mom got her lashes done before her. She didn't want to be recorded, so I respected that. So this is my second client. She is a volume fill for today, and I will show you guys the end results after this time lapse. And products I use, I pretty much use all of Lashbox LA's primers and glue aid. Glue I use is Sky Glue, and lashes I use is Fat Band. These are my own tweezers, and I just use a nano mister and bonder at the end of each set. After each client, I cleanse my utensils, my bed, and I wash and sanitize my hands. So I got my first 2 clients done today. That was a fill. And then some on the app. So we'll wait for our next client, and I'll check back in with you guys. I'm going to be here for quite some time, and hopefully I get to take a break for lunch. All right, I'll check back in with you guys.